All right, today's adventure, we got a dip kit in from dipape.com. This is actually something that I paid full price for off of Amazon. It wasn't sent to the channel, but I wanted to play around with it. So I recently purchased a crossbow. I've never owned one before. I've shot them a couple times, but I've never owned one. And I had lots of guns, and I wanted to get a crossbow. Missouri's expanded the crossbow season, so I thought, why not? But I ended up doing a trade for an AR that I built to get this crossbow. It's pretty awesome. It has a Viper camo to it, and the quiver that come on it was just a black quiver. And I thought, man, I would really like to get a matching quiver. Of course, I couldn't find Viper camo anywhere, so then I started looking into paying someone to hydro dip. The last time I had a rifle stock hydro dipped, it cost me over $100, close to $200 actually. And I didn't really want to spend that much on a quiver that I already had. So I figured I'd get in, try one of these dip kits. So we got the kit in. It's actually pretty cool. There's a couple different brands out there, and I can't say which brand is better, but I just wanted to show you the Dip Ape brand. It'll come with your base coat paint. It'll come with your activator. It comes with a film that you choose. And of course, for me, I chose the Western Viper. It's a True Timber Western Viper, or Viper Western camo. And it's actually what the 10-point stealth crossbow come in. So it came in a sealed bag, and they say, to protect it from the humidity and getting it wet, keep it in its bag quite often. It actually came with an extra. I guess this is like to test or play around with, and I did that. This is like a patriotic looking film. It actually is not that great of a film, but I did get to play with it and try to test it out a little bit. The starter kit comes with a mask. You'll see I didn't wear a mask. It comes with gloves. You'll see I didn't wear gloves either. It comes with a Brillo pad to kind of rough up the section that you're going to paint. And then it comes with, I think it's a dust-free cloth in here. And I've got some that I use in my shop, so I didn't open this packet up. But it comes, the kit is ready to go. It comes with instructions, choosing a base coat and a clear coat, and it gives you some instructions on here. It says for best results, we recommend that you go to our website, dipwizard.com, and watch our how-to videos. And then it's got step 1, step 2, all the way through the steps. And you'll see me do my first crack at this. It's not perfect and it's not beautiful, but it is kind of fun, and eventually I'll get it down. Things that it doesn't come with that are probably recommended: some paper towels, a ruler, masking tape for sure, some sort of cutter. I did notice when I use scissors, sometimes the scissors wouldn't cut that well. Of course, maybe I got crappy scissors, but I used a blade knife, a straight edge, and it seemed to cut it a little bit better. And then I just used, this is from my RC hobbies back in the day when I was running nitro engine RCs, but it's just a thermometer. And they say to use water temp above 80 degrees. Some recommend 95 degrees, and I was dipping right at 90 degrees, the water temp. And then, I got just a Rubbermaid tub with water in it, and that's kind of how I dipped it. You'll see the video, but it is pretty cool, and kind of cool kit to play around with at the house. First crack at hydro dipping. This side I kind of screwed up, but it actually looks pretty freaking cool. So I'm going to take this. We're going to go rinse all the slime off of it. And then we'll see if it really matches the crossbow camo. Here is the match. Not bad for the first time.